This is mowing and making it fun.
What a nut. Look at this goofball.
He's earning money for Legos.
Why aren't you going to the end there? You gonna do that later? Wait, you're missing spots.
Oh, he's performing, so yeah, he's missing all kinds of spots with the performance.
Wait.
But it's worth a good act.
Make sure you get those spots you're missing, goofball.
What do you think of your brother? Huh? What do you think of him? Is he a cuckoo head?
You're gonna go around here and get this section.
Yeah, look at you. There's Phoenix. She's a real swinger. What do you got to do? Perform a little bit. I need to see something here. All right, look at the camera. Oh, look at that. That's major swingage. All right. There he is. Back from work. Up and getting eaten alive by the mosquitoes. We've had a lot of rain. That works in Xander's favor since he can mow more often and make more money. Pay off the Lego set. What Lego is this? That he's going after? Going after Lego Yoda.
Yep.
That was like $100. 80 bucks. 80 bucks. 80, oh, 90
maybe,
bucks.
No, it was 80 bucks. I think.
$80. He 4 mows and he can do this. All right. Nobody has ever mowed a lawn like this before with a dance routine. He's like the Dick Van Dyke of mowing. All right, and then there's Phoenix. Okay, we can do it without screaming. All right.